A lot of people complicate marketing their coaching business. It's actually not that complicated. This is hands down the easiest way for you to be a great coach, get a ton of experience, and make a lot of money. Rule number one, be a great coach. Most people have gimmicks to make people buy your stuff. Don't do any of that. Don't go after strangers. Focus on people that you know. Focus on people who know people that would want to work with you. Focus on people who've given you money already, or focus on the people that those who have given you money know and would love to refer you. Those people are going to be great clients. Deliver impactful results and clients will flock to you and invite you to talk to all of their friends. Despite feeling highly qualified, the goal is continuous growth. Are you making more money month over month? Are you bringing in more clients? Are you getting better at serving the clients that are in front of you? And are you scaling up your business? Tap into the gold mine of networking and referrals. Maintain a log of case studies of people you've been successful with, A, because it's going to give you a great confidence booster, and B, because these are the people who are going to want to bring you all of their friends and family. The more you know about the people that you've helped, the more confident that you can feel. And the more confident you feel, the easier it is for you to bring clients in and to work with them, to sell from a place of confidence and clarity. Be yourself and be coachable. Avoid adapting that egocentric part of yourself that's actually going to repel clients. Embrace humility and service, because if you can do that, no one cares about your qualifications or all of the cool things that you offer. People want to know, do you know what my challenge is and can you help me? Your authenticity and willingness to learn is going to be your greatest asset. To market your coaching business, you need to provide great results, have great confidence, and just stay in a mindset of serving your clients. We help with every single step along this journey. So click on the link below to book a time to talk to someone on our team.